Okay, the last little video is to show you the controls, how they work, what he sees compared to where his head's at. And this is me, there I am in the picture, sitting here, and we will back him up. Whoops. Okay. And we will tilt his head all the way down. He's looking at the floor or the carpet in front of me, and now we'll tilt his head all the way up just by clicking these to that light and this light as described in the spykee mod, and that's going all the way up. There's as high as he can look. And with the headlight on, oops, there goes his headlight. Here's what I look like in the spotlight. There's his lights. Yeah, and you can see everything's controlled from here. The headlight is done here. Headlight is off. Down, and click this one and up. That's with both on after 2 seconds, as the program describes. This is with both of them. Whoops. Let's just put them back to normal here. Well, Spykee, what do you have to say for yourself? Spykee says, you're blind. Huh? And that's it. Bye, Spykee. See you later, bud. He's gonna head to the kitchen to take care of the dogs for me.